Hi, I'm John Hobson with Hobson Home Improvements, and today I found a problem with this doorknob. I see that it is corroded and not looking very pretty. It's also really not the right kind of doorknob for a closet door because it has a lock on the outside, so we don't need that. So we'll open the door, take out the two screws, take it apart. Okay, we remove that bolt, and you'll notice that this particular one has a square edge on it. There's some that have round edges, so you can put the kind in here that you either kind. If you have a square edge one, you'll have to chisel this part out a little bit more. Anyway, we're going to put in the new one right here. Now, a common mistake of putting these in is to put it in so that the bolt is facing the wrong way. So you see the beveled side here goes to the jamb of the door. So when the door closes, that can retract by itself. Okay, here's our new knob that goes in here. And I recommend starting these screws by hand so you won't strip them out. Then just alternate sides as you screw them in. Check it. Seems to work. And we're done.